give life to our little friend. Moving on the screen, he's got 2 pointy ears and can't be seen. Moving in the halls behind the scenes, he's listening and always moving, following and choosing, sending and improving. Then one day you pulled the spring and you reanimated our little Bendy. Bendy and the ink machine, 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 in a way you've never seen. Bendy and the ink machine, 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 machine. Better watch out or he'll make you scream. He's got a friend named Mort that loves to play the good old music from the day. In the big large band with all his friends, the third that was there for him till the end with a